So this is the second part of the video, and as you can see, I did it in pencil, and you could try it in pencil too, but it's not going to be as cool as the other way. But if you just want to practice, you could do it with pencil. And, you know, there's a web, so I think it, you know, looks pretty good. Well, this one, while the video was off, I also did it with white crayon. So it's really hard to see your work with the white crayon. So that's why it's good to practice with the pencil. So here I have this, and now I want to do is I'm going to take my black crayon or my black oil pastel, and I'm going to make a little spider on there. And this is how we're going to do that. I'm going to make a little body. Remember, he has 2 parts to the body, and he has, or she has, 8 legs. So there you go. There's my little spider. Okay, it's just hanging on the web, waiting for its prey. So I have my practice one, and now I have my water. And remember when we did the sunflowers, we talked about how when we use watercolor, we let the water do the work. So I want to get it really, really wet. Now, you can choose any combination. Remember what warm colors are? Warm colors are yellows, oranges, dark pinks or reds, like the color of fire, warmth. And then cool colors are purples and blues and greens. So I'm going with a cool blue. And remember, I'm going to get it nice and wet. And then I'm going to just paint over. And you guys, do you see what's happening? This time we're using like a small brush. You might have a bigger brush at your house. You could try that, but the small brush seems to work. And you want to get kind of a little bit adventurous. You could put in another little color. I'm going to try some purple too. So it's going to be kind of a purple and blue. So it's very relaxing, actually. I'm going to add some more water on there. I'm just going to go tap, 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 tap. And you can totally see my spider web is starting to appear. And sometimes, maybe you could even just do a little light brush of water on there before you put color. It helps the water absorb. And this is watercolor paper. So remember we talked about how watercolor paper is thicker and it helps absorb. It means suck the water in. Just like the spider, if you already did the lesson on how a spider eats its prey. It turns the prey to juice and then absorbs it. Okay, and then I'm going to add some more color to it. Like this. And I think I want to add a little bit of warmth to it. So I'm going to try my orange. I'm just going to do some dabbing. Dab, dab, dab. Just to kind of give it some interest. Okay, so you can see, I'm going to try to hold this up. It's still damp, so it's going to be kind of hard. You can see my spider web is showing through, and I don't want to make it go too much because it will drip. So have fun. Please post your picture to Seesaw, and then I will make sure if you're in my class, I will put it on the blog so everybody can see each other's spider webs. Have fun.